6.4 number 5, C was asked about here, so I'll just skip right down to C. The perimeter is the sum of all of the sides. So that would be 3 minus x over x squared plus 2 over x plus 3 minus x over x squared plus 2 over x. And that equals 28. So if you do that, now you gather like terms. And so what we have is really we have 2 times this, 3 minus x over x squared, plus 2 times 2 over x equals 28. Now you could do a couple things here. You could multiply this 2 in, or you could, right now you could divide everything by 2, because all the terms are divisible by 2, so that might decrease some work for you. So that would be just 3 minus x over x squared plus 2 over x equals 14. So you could do that, because that if this is a rectangle, then this plus this would be half the perimeter, and that's what that's saying. So now to get to solve this, right? You could multiply both sides by x squared if you want, and that would be a good way to get rid of the denominators. So multiply by x squared. That was the bell. So if you want to quietly leave, I'll just finish this question for whoever wants to stay. But if you multiply by x squared, you'd end up with this. 3 minus x plus 2x equals 14x squared. Okay? And then you could write this as a quadratic. Minus 3 plus x, getting everything over to one side. Negative 2 plus, so that's minus x minus 3, I guess. So then you could use quadratic formula, or you could try and factor this, whatever you want to do there. So I'll just maybe finish this with the quadratic formula and see if we can figure that out that way. So x equals negative 1, negative b, plus or minus the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Okay, so you follow that through, and you should have 1/2 as an answer. You reject the negative, and you can plug that in to the equation and see if that's true. But that should be how you do 15c or 5c. Sorry.